What's going on, everybody? My name's Taylor, and welcome back to Smoke Show Happy Hour, your favorite excuse to day drink. Now, this might be my favorite drinking holiday yet. This week is not only one, but two national drinking holidays. Both of these holidays fall on the same day. It is going to be National Old Fashioned Day and National Bourbon Day. So crack out your favorite bottle of bourbon or your favorite bottle to make an old fashioned with, and let's get ready to make the best old fashioned you've ever made. Now, everybody has a different palate, but I know that 9 times out of 10, anybody you ask will recommend the Woodford Reserve Double Oaked bottle. Now, this is an absolutely beautiful bottle that pairs nicely whether you're drinking it neat on ice or in an old fashioned. I think the Woodford Reserve Double Oaked is going to be an amazing choice for today. Now, we are going to be making a standard 100% true and pure original old-fashioned recipe. This is not going to have any extra steps. This is going to be to a T what to follow if you want to make the perfect old-fashioned. Now, for this old-fashioned recipe, we are going to be using a sugar cube. The first step is to grab your sugar cube and throw it into your mixing glass. We're going to grab some aromatic bitters. Now, you can also choose some Angostura orange bitters as well. It's another great option. I love orange old fashions, especially during the summertime. That citrus forward old fashioned is just perfect. But for today's video, we are going to be sticking to some aromatic Angostura bitters. We're gonna put 2 drops, roughly, right over top. I know none of these things actually drop the way you want them to. A lot of bartenders actually have a individual milliliter dropper, just like that, to keep things very precise every single old fashioned. And the key here is to just lightly muddle your sugar cube with those 2 to 3 dashes of bitters in there. Now, this is about technique, not about force. So your goal is to not absolutely destroy your sugar cube, but merely get it to mix nicely with those bitters evenly. I'm actually going to set the microphone right next to the bottle for you guys just so you can hear it. Wow. I know the Woodford really does have the most beautiful cork pop out of any of the bottles. You can prove me wrong down in the comments. Now, once you've muddled your sugar cube and your bitters together, it's time to go ahead and add in 2 ounces of the Woodford. Now, what's important is to make sure that we're stirring all of this together before we add our ice to ensure that the bitters and the sugar and your bourbon mix evenly. Now, there's a lot of different ways that you can smoke your old fashioned. You can take it a step further than everybody else, and you can smoke the water before it turns into your crystal clear ice cube. You can smoke your old fashioned before you stir it, and you can smoke it in the glass and then pour your old fashioned into it. So there's a lot of different ways you can get creative with this. But the most important thing to ensure is that we're using a crystal clear ice cube. This will prevent against unwanted dilution into our drink. This is going to make sure that it is just the perfect amount of watered down, and it prevents from it diluting rapidly as it would with a very cloudy ice cube. Now, to be very specific here, I will be stirring this exactly 36 times, so you can count it on the video now. "36 stirs exactly." Now, some people will tell you 40, but I would argue that 36 is going to be that benchmark for the perfectly chilled and stirred, non-diluted old-fashioned. Now, I will be cutting down just the corners of my ice cube so it fits and spins perfectly inside of my glass. Now, for this smoked old fashioned, we will be using the Smokeshow cocktail smoker with some bourbon barrel wood dust for pairing. Pro tip when we're smoking our old fashions here, if you're using a butane torch to smoke it, which is arguably much better than those electronic smokers, what you should do is start your torch facing away from your drink to prevent from a lot of the butane to be sitting right on top of that, which is not going to taste good whatsoever. Now, we're aiming to smoke it for about 10 seconds. 15 seconds might be a bit too long, but once you see some smoke evenly pouring out of the sides, that's when you know it's time for the drink to be poured. Wow, that was absolutely beautiful, but I promise you we're not done yet. The most important part for making an old fashioned is going to be expressing an orange peel right over the edge. Now, you want those oils to be right in front of your face. Now, let's see if I can show you guys. A good tip is to wrap that orange peel right around a bar spoon to really keep that twist nice and active. Wow. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be the perfect, purest old fashioned right here. I will slip away and take some quick photos and I'll be right back. But arguably before I take the photos, I think I'm gonna take my sip now so nothing dilutes and we see just how perfect this one is. Cheers, everybody. Wow. That's an amazing old fashioned. Now, I know for a fact I love Woodford Double Oaked. Now this one is going to be a 10 out of 10 old fashioned for me, whether I'm using the Smokeshow syrup or I'm making one with some sugar cubes muddled in there. But wow. Okay, hold on. We all know how long that took for us to make, but what I want to do is we're going to take a step back and I'm going to make a Smokeshow Old Fashioned and I'm going to pair them side by side just to see how much quicker I can make the second one and if it tastes any better. Be right back. Beautiful. Now what I'd like to do is smoke this one before we add our old fashioned so that way we get that smoke evenly throughout the glass. The ice in the water in that glass really helps the smoke coat to it and stick around for the rest of your drink. Beautiful. Now for this one, I will be making it in the glass too. It's gonna save us an extra step. 2 ounces of our Woodford. And now we're gonna add a 1/4 ounce of our classic old-fashioned cocktail syrup. Beautiful. We are gonna take this one an extra step too and express our orange peel right over top. 36 turns exactly does not matter for the Smokeshow Old Fashioned. It's gonna taste even and amazing throughout the entire drink. Cheers. Wow, that is beautiful. Okay, so I definitely expressed a little bit more of the orange peel over top of this one. I can smell the oils right in front of my face, so I got a little bit better on this one. But the original is unbroken. I think these are both amazing. If I got served these back to back at a bar, I would likely not know the difference. So I'm thoroughly impressed by both of these old fashions right here. If you guys are looking forward to another national drinking holiday, make sure to turn on that subscribe, post notification bell to stay tuned to more drinking holidays just like National Bourbon Day. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video. Make sure to drop a like if you enjoyed it. Comment your favorite recipe or your favorite old-fashioned recipe, and maybe I'll try it on my own. But until then, I'll see you guys next week. Cheers. It's pretty good.